We need to bridge the world of business ownership or your career with your personal development, taking the time to navigate the complexities of being a business owner or having a career while finding balance in your life is important. But when you start to add the complications of burnout, it really starts to leave you feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and sometimes ready to throw in the towel. The question I want to ask you when you start feeling this way is, should you quit at this point, or should you persevere? In today's podcast episode, I talk about how burnout affects not only your work, but also your personal life. To make informed decisions about quitting anything in your life, you need to understand how your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions are all intertwined with your results. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you'll want to think about the common signs of burnout that I discussed today and make an informed decision before deciding to quit or persevere with something in your life. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Do you find yourself challenged with the question of whether you should quit something? I often help my clients with questions like this. It may pertain to quitting their job, quitting their business, quitting a habit, or even quitting how they handle a relationship in their life. One area that seems to be linked to challenges like this is burnout. Burnout can impact your business, your career, and your personal life. When you layer burnout on top of any of these questions, many clients second guess if they're making decisions from a good place. They worry they'll make the wrong decision and will regret their decision after the fact. To make informed decisions, you need to understand how your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions are all intertwined with the results that you're getting. I want to start by discussing some of the common signs of burnout. Burnout often starts with feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. You might begin to question your career or the business that you've built. When burnout sets in, your thoughts can become negative. You might be thinking things like, I can't handle this anymore, or is this even worth it? These thoughts can lead to feelings of frustration and hopelessness. And then you find yourself procrastinating or losing interest in your work. This often ultimately impacts the results that you're seeing. Your business might suffer, or your career might begin to stagnate. For example, you could be a dedicated accountant who's been working hard during tax seasons, and you find the stress is really taking a toll on you. You might start considering quitting your job. You may be thinking you can't keep up with the workload, and your personal life starts to suffer. When you're feeling frustrated and exhausted, you may find that you're missing deadlines, making errors, and your performance may start to go down. It would be clear that you're burning out, but quitting isn't the only option in this example. It's essential to assess your situation, taking everything into consideration. Before deciding to quit, whatever your situation is, it's crucial to consider other alternatives. In the accountant example, you could talk to your supervisor about your workload or seek help from your colleagues. You might also explore time management strategies and make sure that you're prioritizing self-care. Another crucial factor to consider is your mindset. When you're on the edge of burnout, it's essential to reframe what you're thinking. Instead of thinking, I can't handle this, try to shift your thoughts to something more like, I can manage this with support and proper self-care. This tiny shift can have a significant impact on how you feel and your overall performance. Positive thoughts can lead to feelings of empowerment and action steps to improve your situation. Here's another example. Let's say you're a successful business owner who's been considering selling your business. As a business owner, you might be thinking, I've achieved so much, but I'm tired of all the stress. Your feelings might be a mix of pride and burnout, and you may be less involved in decision-making, and your business's growth may have plateaued, or maybe it even started to dwindle. In this case, quitting might not be a bad idea, but it's essential to do it with purpose and be happy with your decision instead of just giving up. You could consider transitioning, selling your business, or even taking some time off to recharge. It's vital to remember that making significant life and career decisions should be intentional. They should be made from a good place, and you want to make sure that you have an overall plan for your future. Finding the right balance between your work and personal life is key. Remember, long-term success means nurturing your physical and your mental health. You don't have to choose between your career or your business and your well-being. Finding that balance can lead to a happier, more sustainable life. Burnout is a serious issue that can affect your career, your business, and your personal life. But before deciding to quit, consider your options, your mindset, and the importance of balance. If you need help with making a decision to quit or to persevere with something in your life, I'm here to help you find your path to success and fulfillment. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation or coaching session with me as your business and life coach. Feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today by going to financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you put all the pieces in place to make an informed decision that will allow you to lead a happier, more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business and help you focus on the steps that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your business, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward. I'm here to help you with both your business and your personal life so that you can relieve the stress, anxiety, or overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your business, which enables you to go back to enjoying your business like you thought you would when you very first started it. I work with business owners and accountants to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching Program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in this program is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it does sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know that this is something you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, and stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.